Learn how to use the Tailwind Calendar to plan your content and organize your marketing strategy. From your Tailwind homepage, you will see your weekly schedule. All of your posts will display under each corresponding day on the weekly view. To move the scheduled posts between days, you can easily drag and drop these posts to different days within the weekly schedule. If you click on the post, you will see a pop-up window with quick editing options. From here, you can edit, unschedule, or delete the post. Clicking the Edit button will allow you to change the scheduled time of the post as well as replace the image or video. You can also see what type of post it is as well as if it is scheduled to send a post reminder or to auto-publish. Clicking on the date and time from the quick editing pop-up will allow you to edit the time directly from the schedule without having to revisit the drafts page. In your schedule, your marketing plan prompts will be displayed at the top of each corresponding day. When you click on the prompt, a window will pop up with additional details about what to post. From here, you can quickly upload or create a new post for that corresponding prompt. For content that is scheduled to be cross-posted to multiple networks, you will see individual posts on the schedule for each selected network. For pins that are scheduled to be published in consecutive intervals, you will also see each individual pin displayed on the schedule. You will see a filter button along the top toolbar of your schedule. This will allow you to filter the schedule to show only select social profiles. You can also filter out your marketing plan prompts. At the top of the schedule, you will see the weekly date range. You can click on the arrows to quickly switch between weekly views. To easily jump back to today's schedule, you can click on the Today button. To create a custom task, you will also see the New Task button along the top toolbar of your weekly schedule. You can enter details in the pop-up window to remind yourself to take action on a specific task. This includes due dates and attachments. This can be a one-time or a recurring task. Along the toolbar at the top of your schedule, you will also see the option to switch between the monthly and weekly calendar view. When you click on a post in the monthly calendar, you will see a pop-up window to the right of the screen that shows the schedule for that specific day. You can use the arrows at the top of the daily view to quickly switch between days. You can also drag and drop the post to different times within that day as well as different days on the monthly calendar. And finally, if you have any posts that have failed to publish, or notifications that were missed, these posts will be displayed under the Failed and Missed Posts tab. You will then see the option to delete the failed posts or send it back to your drafts where you can schedule it again. Now you're ready to start using your Tailwind schedule to plan your content and organize your marketing strategy.